Welcome back to my channel everyone. Today I'm cooking teriyaki chicken thigh with red bell pepper and rice. For making our rice, 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. Bring it to a boil. After it boils, reduce the heat and cover it. Dry the chicken with paper towel, then after place it on a baking sheet. Put in the middle of the oven and broil it to the maximum degree. After 10 minutes, you can flip them and wait until both sides become golden brown. Now I'm cutting bell peppers and coriander, and then I'm adding to the bowl. After, I have to make my dressing and mix them together.
Till the end it finds you at home. Don't care what the people may say. It's always friends that feel so good. Let's make amends like all good men should. Pleasure.
It's so easy to make teriyaki sauce. We have to make all the ingredients together and then bring the mixture to a boil.
Yes, I love the thought of giving hope to you. Just a little ray of light shining through. I love the thought of coming home to you, even if I know we can make it. Yes, I love the thought of giving hope to you. Just a little ray of light.
Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Then mix them together well. Now we are adding to the teriyaki sauce.
Driving down an endless road, taking friends on.
So teriyaki sauce is ready.
At the
we have to pour it on top of our chicken thighs. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.